This is Playgroup book kit. Let's see the book. These are the books and charts for Playgroup level. Let's see them one by one. This is my bright picture book of 1 to 3. You can see wonderful pictures for the child to count and learn. Now, interesting thing about this book is this is a smart book, augmented reality enabled, or you can help the child by using Brilla app where you can access my anytime teacher. Scan the code.
Hello children, how are you all today? Great? Yes, today we are going to learn counting numbers 11 to 20. And to learn about counting,
So you have seen how child can not only look at the picture and count, but also can take the help of my anytime teacher. This is my bright picture book of ABC. All the letters of the alphabet child learns. And also at the end, the phonics song is there. So here also you have the code. So you can scan it using Brilla app and child can watch it live, the page. This is rhymes. Children of Playgroup, they like this book because a lot of interesting rhymes are there. Now suppose the child wants to learn the rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Launch the app, My Anytime Teacher. So child can easily learn the rhymes, how to sing, and also watch anytime teacher and learn how to do the action. This is my bright picture book of coloring. Child can do coloring activity. To do coloring activities, we are also giving the wax crayons. Child can use it. This is my bright picture book of stories. At this age, children are very interested to learn stories. Here also, you can access the My Anytime Teacher.
brown cow, what do you see?
I see a blue bird looking at me.
Bluebird, what do you see?
Children keep watching it and then they are able to narrate the stories. Now here we have my practice workbook, simple practice workbook where the child can do coloring, tracing, counting, matching and many activities. Now along with this we are also giving the charts. Charts help the children to do random recognition. So here also in this charts also you can see the code is there. So child can learn about each and every fruit, vegetables, healthy food, farm animals, jungle animals, surface transportation, air and water transportation, and the good habits. So there are 8 charts for the child to put it up on the wall. So these are the books and charts for the Playgroup lesson.